All right, guys, here we are once more and again. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm in this Cherokee, man. I'm in semi-trouble, fellas. Yes, your boy's in trouble. I put this car off way too long. I was trying to buy time. Hopefully my lottery numbers will hit and I wouldn't have to do it. I don't know what I was thinking, but it is now a hot, heated situation. And I'm gonna tell you what I'm talking about, guys. This Cherokee, problems. I gotta put a transmission in it, all right? Y'all see the check engine light on. I don't know if I got a previous video with diagnostic, but at any rate, yes, it needs a transmission. And guys, there's nothing to replacing these transmission on these little Cherokee Latitude body style. But this car, y'all see that? You know what that means? All-wheel drive setup. So you know what all-wheel drive have to be equipped with, right? You guessed it, a freaking PTU. Yes, guys. Man, I put this thing off, and now I didn't mean. I don't know if the customer is real hot and they got in the manager's butt, and the manager got in my butt. What's taking so long? Say, oh my goodness. I guess I, guys. Your boy. I don't know. Well, anyway, I got to get her done as quick as possible. Like now, like in a day. I'm just bringing it in. It's like 11 o'clock, so hopefully I have it out by time before I go home. All right, so y'all wish your boy luck, man. I am not. Here's the transmission right here. Yeah, you're not gonna see the PTU on this, but the transmission fairly easy, guys. Typical ZF 948 TE. Uh-oh, wait a minute. Oh boy. Oh no. Wait a minute. Look at that. Guys. Hold on. I am not going to be responsible for that. Let me go show somebody something. All right. I'm glad I saw this. I'm glad I was talking to y'all. I'm glad the camera was rolling. Now, that's the TCM, guys. Remember, this transmission, the TCM come equipped on it. All right. So, I got to go show somebody. Ooh, and it's bent too. This damn thing dropped. Look, it ain't even supposed to be in this box like this. So somebody, oh no, you will not be blaming that on JT. Guys, let me go and talk to manager, whoever brought this back, or if it was shipped. I don't know. I can't pick that up, so we'll see. Let me go talk to manager. Hey, no, look. Wow. Check out the new trade-in. Honda Civic Touring. Hey, electric. Let's see if I always go straight for this guy, especially when I rent a car. Look at that. There is a spare tire. It's not full, but who cares as long as there's some sort of a spare tire. All right. Yeah, from what they're saying, it shouldn't be here long. They got to do their used car inspection. He got a funny looking scan tools in here. Yeah. It's Snap-on. Everybody out there in my world, on my page, brag on the All-Tech, I want to say. But our Tech won't read this car, so he had to pull out his patented Snap-on. Ooh, look, it's a CVT transmission, guys. Y'all see that? Let's see. Let's get a closer look. Analog brake, permanent code. That's a code in the ABS. CVT. I don't know what's under the hood. I'm aiming to find out. Let's see, guys. I want to know. 4-cylinder? What y'all think? 4-banger? Ta-da! Inline 4-cylinder. Look at that little bitty battery over there. Honda Civics. Earth Dreams Technology Turbo. Whoa. Okay, has turbo on it, guys. I don't know. A car is a car, but yeah, CVT transmission. I got a video out on that on how to help your CVT transmission last longer, guys. I'm gonna card it. Watch this video right here. All right. Heed those steps I give out in order to help make your transmission last a long time. But I don't know, shouldn't be here that long. We'll see. I know they're gonna do some brakes on it. Other than that, I let this up. Let me let this down. All right, guys. Honda Civics in the used car. What they get when they trade it in? I don't know. What's over here? Hey, somebody traded in a Jeep Cherokee at a Jeep dealer. What they get? Another Jeep? Somebody traded in a minivan. I got one of these. I had one. I wrecked it. Now, if I had one of these, I would be Ubering, ride sharing. Yeah, it's top of the line. This all the fixings on it. See, these things. I'm thinking about getting me another one, guys. But it's gonna have to be dirt cheap, like the transmission broke or something, because I can easily fix that. What miles on this? Oh, just 64. Oh, they gonna go full blast with this. So, little nitpicking stuff. But it's clean. So maybe they upgraded or downgraded. I don't know. Who knows? All right, we'll see what happens, guys. Stay tuned. What's going on? Oh, okay. Wow. One good way to take the oil pan off is to drop the whole damn frame. Okay. It's a good time to do this oil pump while you're here. Yeah. She was gonna need it sooner or later. You see if they want to spend the extra money? So what? How did the book say to get it out? Did the book say do all this? Or you just running? You just running rogue? You over here running? Gary over here running rogue. I don't think the book say do this. I don't think Dealer Connect say do it like this. Alright, guys. He dropped the oil pan. I remember one time I had to do an oil pump on a Grand Cherokee with a Pentastar engine. Yes, this turned out to be the easiest way to get it out, guys. Instead of fighting through all that, taking all this off. It's a whole lot easier to just drop the cradle. And you get all of this out your way. Pretty interesting. Dude, man. Wow, you already got it out. What the world? You brought it all out together? You brought it all out together?
Yeah, I'm gonna take the transmission guy to get it all. It's leaking somewhere.
Oh, okay. It's
been leaking. He built it already, so I'm gonna take it to him. I'm gonna take the engine apart, second machine shop, and see.
Yeah. That is neat. He brought it all out together, yeah. And what's weird, he just started on it about 3 hours ago. 3 hours later, the whole damn engine is laying on the jack. Look at that. Okay. I thought I would catch him taking it out, guys, but I reacted too slowly. And before I knew it, it was out.